All right, so here, this is showing you, back up a little bit so I can see the door more. So this is the electronic pet door, and we have moved the plug-in jack, one of the plug-in jacks from down below up to just below the power button to keep it away from a chewing dog. This is the front side of the pet door. Now we're going to look at the back side so you can see where the wires were moved. Okay, so the blue power wire from the left-hand side, we unscrewed it. Here's a picture of one here's the one that's still on there. So you remove this tape, pull it off, and you can see the plug-in jack. So we're going to remove this plug-in jack, which is on the left-hand side. If you're looking at the pet door from the front, the left-hand jack, we're going to unscrew it. You can see the screw and parts there. So we're going to unscrew it. We're going to remove the putty and loosen the wire and free it from underneath the frame all the way up to here. Then we have to also remove this, and it just comes right off. And then now we're going to go see the door where it's finished so you can see what we did with the wire. So we left this one plugged in, but here's the one that we removed from underneath the frame, and it's doubled back on itself, and we're snugging it into the channel, okay? Because you don't want, you use the putty, you use the window putty, and get more window putty if you need it. You want to have the wires in the frame so that they will not get pinched. So snug it into this channel. The blue wires are going to snug into the channel and go all the way up to the new hole. And you're going to have to drill out a hole for the plug-in jack, and you put the plug-in jack from the other side. It's still here. You just put it through the new hole you've created. Then you leave that blue wire going through here, and now you have a new plug-in jack up high below the power button. It's really fairly simple because everything is visible to you. But again, it's very important to make sure you do not, on our stand here we have pinched a wire, but you want to make sure that you snug the wires into this channel so that when the dog door is installed, the wires don't get pinched. They have to be behind the frame. If you have any questions, give us a call, but that should do it for moving the power jack from one of the power jacks from down below to up high near the power button so the dog can't mess with it.